Hey there, dance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. Get ready to spice up your dance moves as we dive into the vibrant world of Latin dancing. In this video, we'll be sharing some expert tips on how to master the salsa dance like a pro. So, whether you're a newbie looking to impress on the dance floor or a seasoned dancer wanting to refine your skills, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Latin dances, such as salsa, have gained immense popularity in the Philippines. The country's vibrant and lively culture perfectly complements the energy of Latin dance styles. To begin your salsa journey, let's focus on the basic steps and technique. Start with your feet together, and on the first beat, step forward with your left foot. On the second beat, bring your right foot next to your left foot. Repeat this step with your right foot, stepping back on the first beat and bringing your left foot together on the second beat. Practicing these basic steps will help you develop a strong foundation for your salsa dance. Now, let's spice things up a bit. One key element in salsa is the hip movement. To add that Latin flavor to your dance, imagine a small circle with your hips as you step. This subtle movement will give your dance a sensual and rhythmic touch. Remember to keep your upper body relaxed and maintain a strong frame while dancing. Timing is crucial in salsa, so let's talk about the rhythm. Salsa is typically danced to a 4/4 beat, and the basic steps follow a quick slow pattern. Counting the beats in your mind can help you stay on track and synchronize your movements with the music. Practice counting and dancing to different salsa songs to develop your sense of timing. And there you have it, dance enthusiasts. We hope these Latin dancing tips have inspired you to hit the dance floor with confidence. Remember, mastering the art of salsa takes practice, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Keep exploring various Latin dance styles and techniques to expand your repertoire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting dance tutorials. Until next time, keep grooving and keep spreading the joy of salsa.